The space puzzle is more of our piece of the space community, how we contribute to all the things that are going on in space and the complexities, and bringing it all together for our leadership to be able to make timely, accurate decisions.
We have a very strategic position here within the Arctic Circle. Any missile attack coming from an adversary in Europe or Asia must launch their missiles over the polar region, and Thule has been specifically designed and placed here in order to capture almost 100% of any missile assets or threats that would be coming over there. And so while all radars are important, Thule is often considered more important due to its positioning. I'm Master Sergeant Samuel Basham. I'm the Senior Enlisted Leader for the 12th Space Warning Squadron, part of Delta 4. The UEWR, or the Upgraded Early Warning Radar, is a missile warning, missile defense, and space domain awareness tracking sensor. So we have quite a bit of range in our view, reaching all the way up to low Earth orbit, but with our primary mission being capturing and warning the United States and our allies of ballistic missiles, namely ICBMs and SBMs, from a near-peer adversary. At the millisecond rate, we're shooting out signals to both transmit and receive at an electronically steered phased array. And that's kind of why you got this kind of monolithic looking structure out there. It kind of looks like a supervillain lives here. But I can assure you that it has a high fidelity and a high capture rate. Really, this entire mission here exists for the UEWR, the Upgraded Early Warning Radar, to pick up any strategic threats to the United States. Everything is harder at Thule, from communications to even traveling to work. And so while we are right now in a very pleasant spot during summer, as the storms have calmed down, we are starting to enter into what we call storm season. In storm season, we get storms that are all the way up to hurricane levels in the Arctic Circle, dropping temperatures down to less than -40. So once we're isolated in those heavy storm conditions, no one's coming for us. And so some of the things we have to be concerned with up here at Thule is staging individuals in our no-fail mission that has to be running 24/7, 365. And so sometimes we have to bed people down within this facility for several days at a time, isolated from an already isolated base. And this includes running resources up, and it includes staging foods, materials, toiletries, and everything else to keep people happy and alive while still operating the mission up here. The Guardians and the Airmen up here go through an extraordinary amount of isolation and hardship out here. So as an SEL, Senior Enlisted Leader, while I am here to keep the mission going, really I'm here for the people. I make sure that they're healthy and well, that their needs are met, and so that really the human weapon system is being taken care of so that the weapon system proper is actually functioning.